Hello, this is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International. I'm very proud to present this 2002 Ford F-350 7.3 liter diesel 4x4. And I know you're staring at it saying, that doesn't look like a 2002. Well, it is. It's been equipped with a 2015 front end and full body. This is getting more popular these days, obviously, with the cost of new trucks and the reliability of the 7.3 liter diesel. This is where people are headed. This one's done correct. It's done very nicely. All the components on it are very in new, type condition, of course. Doesn't seem to be piecemealed together over used parts and so forth. Everything looks really, really nice. The truck is running as we speak. It has Toyo Open Country RT tires that are in really, really nice condition. Won't need any replacing there for quite a while. On fuel wheels, really nice 37-inch tires by 13.5 with 20-inch wheels. It has the Illuminated F-250 badges there. It's equipped with a BILSTEIN shock type suspension on here. All the shocks are BILSTEINs. Got rough country. Lights in the front. We've got front and rear diff covers. Got an S&B air intake inside. Obviously the truck is lifted. And it even has the amp recharge steps. Nice steps that pop out. Got a full exhaust. And it's even got train horns. Smoked out tail lights. Backup camera. Smoked out badges. Super nice paint. Super clean trunk. It's also got some lighting on some switches. Of course, if you want to have a little illumination or not. Inside, just as clean as the outside. Now, before I step in there, I want to let you know that this truck is a 4x4. It is the LARIAT, as you can see, 4-door, 214,000 miles. This truck's out of Texas. It's super clean underneath. All right, now inside. We've got a full stereo that's been upgraded and sounds really nice. It's all Rockford Fosgate, I believe, with a Pioneer radio in the front. All the upgrades and work have been done very nicely on all the doors. It's not hanging off or peeling or ripped or cut or glue separating or any of that stuff. This thing is really nice. Headliner, everything. I believe, let me open this back here. We've got, these are Pioneer actually. Pioneer subwoofers back here, got 4 of them. Don't hold me to, but they look about 10 or 12 inches. Nicely done, of course. And there's gonna be amplifiers associated with it somewhere. But everything is working and working well. Every door also has the sound deadening type of product in it. Got 4x4 pedal adjustments, ice cold AC, some switch panels, some more buttons in here to control some of your stuff, your horns. Nice radio. That's actually a Kenwood, let me clarify. Super nice, clean interior. We do have this truck available locally and online for sale. So if you're interested in this truck, please pick up the phone and call me right now. Best way to get a hold of me is by phone call. If you can't get me on the first try, please leave a voicemail or follow up with a text. I do get a lot of calls due to the nature of the online business. I don't want to miss yours. We have shipping anywhere in the world. I can deliver this truck to your doorstep. I've got the hood popped because that's my next step. Give me 1 second while I get it open. Got our alarm system as well. It is functional. Go to the blow-by's house. Give me. So if you're interested in this truck, please call me right now. My phone number is 954-258-2700. This is a very special, very rare truck. Obviously one of a kind. They don't make this body style truck with the 2002 7.3 engine. It's very healthy. There's also a light bar under the rear bumper there. If there's something I didn't get a chance to show you here today on this truck, if you'd like a little more detailed information, please feel free to contact me. 954-258-2700. One more thing, we have a very simple DocuSign paperwork process. If you're interested in buying one of our trucks, give me a call or shoot me a text. I can send you all your paperwork via DocuSign for you to sign. Upon completion, we'll both get some completed contracted documents, and you're free to send your wire payment or cashier's check following that. Typically, we can ship out within 12 to 24 hours. My name is Brett. Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you soon.